Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to set up a booking or an appointment system in Hostinger Website Builder. This is an example of the booking or the appointments systems you will learn how to create in this video. This website is built using Hostinger Website Builder, and this is a booking or a personal training booking system on this website. When you hit the book now button, this new window pops up with available times or dates that you can book. The second system or design I will share with you is a double product table reservation or booking system or appointment system. This is a restaurant website built using Hostinger Website Builder, and if I click on this button, I will be forwarded to this page with multiple products I can book. For this restaurant website, I provide booking a table for 4 or a table for just 2. Same thing when you click on the product or the book now button, window pops up with the same reservation system. To start or to create this from scratch, first log in to your Hostinger account, then go to websites. On this account, I have multiple websites, and the website I will use for this tutorial is this one. Yes, it have the header button or the button in the header, but no booking or appointments system. So I will add it in this website. First, hit this manage store button next to the website you want to work on. In order to go straight to the store manager and not the website editing page. Now, first, let's create a product. Click on Add Product and select Appointment. Enable this option. Now, give your appointment or booking a photo. Let's create this dental, or let's use this dental appointment or the dental photo. You can add multiple photos for your products. For this video, I will go with just a single photo. Give your product a name. I will use the same title. The price is, you can add subtitle here. For the description is this one below the book now button. You can add a ribbon to your product. For example, new arrival. You can add additional info section. Additional info section. Place your text here. You can add second additional info section. Place your text here. Now, this enable or disable option is for showing or not showing the add to bag button, which is this one, book now. You can go with an amount or the free. For this tutorial, I will go with an amount. I will offer this dental appointment for five for $100, but I will discount it to just $70. You can create a custom field. Let's ask, for example, age, and make it mandatory. I will also use categories in order to, I will call it appointments category. Now click on save. As you can see, I created this category with 0 products right now. Let's see if I didn't lose. My bad. I've lost my product, but no, I've totally lost it. No big deal. Click on appointments, select your photo, give your product a name, for example, dental appointment for kids, subtitle, kids friendly dental appointment, or just keep it at kids friendly. For the ribbon, I will use new arrival. For the text, I will use this text. Additional info, first additional info section, place your text here. I will add a second additional info section. For pricing, I will enable the add to bag button and go with 100 and discount it to only 70. For the custom field, I will ask for the age and I make it mandatory. Since I've already created my category first, I can select it just by clicking on assign to category. Let's assign it to this appointments category. For the time and place, you can detail or disclose the location, my office. For the session duration, I will pick 1 hour. Here you can select between hours and minutes. For appointments conditions, this is optional. You can set additional time conditions for your appointments. For example, minimum notice time, I will go with 1 day. For my availability, you can block time or edit your availability. Let's keep it as it is, or let's edit my availability now. You can select here you should select the time zone, or you should select a time zone that is in the country that your online store is using. For example, this online store, I use the US as a country. If I select a time zone that is out of the US, the system will show an incorrect availability days. This is why I will delete this and I will look for a New York time zone. Here you can pick the available dates, and just like that you can pick the hours. If you have 2 parts, you can add an additional available time slot. You can add multiple time slots, and to mark off the days when you are not available. Just uncheck them like that. Now click on save. Yes, changes you made will stand for all your appointments. Yes, I confirm. And let's say that on the next, today is Thursday, let's say that the next Monday you will not be available. Instead of unchecking it here, which will affect all the Mondays or all the next Mondays, simply block this specific Monday. Today, as I've said, today is 19th of December, and the next Monday is this one. Let's block it. As you can see, it is added below your unavailable dates. You can pick multiple dates or just a single date. Click on save. Now click on save again to publish or to create this product. As you can see, new product added called dental appointments for kids. Now let's add a second product to create this two options like this page. Click on add product, select appointment. Let's look for another dental photo. This is it. Give this product a title, for example, dental appointment for adults. Let's skip the subtitle and the ribbon this time. I will use the same description here. By the way, I think you can add, for this product description, you can add a photo, and you can also add a video or a YouTube video, and you can also create links just like that. And you can edit parts of this, for example, description, title. Let's make it a little bit bigger, just like that. For the additional information, I will not add them to see the difference between adding additional info and not. For pricing, I will enable the add to back button, and for the amount, I will ask for 150 and a discount of $40. For the category, or before that, I will ask for the age again. For the category, I will select the same category. This category is what we will use to show these products in our website page. For the time, I will my office, the duration 1 hour, minimum notice time 1 day. And for the availability, I will use the same previous availability. Click on save. Now that my two booking or appointments products are created, let's see how to embed them in our website page. First, I will start with this design. For example, this is the home page of this website. Let's see how to create a booking section like this one. Simply, instead of working on the store manager, now we need to jump to the editing website page. This is my website homepage, and let's add my booking system here. Just hover using your mouse between two sections. You will see this add section button. Click on it, then go to online store. Instead of going with a product list, go with a single product, just like that. And just like that, you have this section added. Now let's add my newly created products in this section. Simply click on edit section, then click on product and select your product from this list. I will add my dental appointments for adults. You can edit it anytime you want later. Close this window, and just like that, or let's hide this. Just like that, now you have your booking system added to your page. In order to see the difference between my two products, I will add another section because I have some small differentiations like the product description and the additional information. As you can see, the additional information shows like that, and the product description becomes below the product photo. Before I jump to this next part of this video, I want to show you how to play with this photo size. I think it's from the layout. You can edit the text alignment, the gallery placement. If you have multiple photos, you will see small photos below the one showing. You can also play with the image ratio. I will go with a square. You can also edit the image corners radius. You can also edit the text color like that. I will keep it black. The arrows color on gallery. Here I don't have multiple images, so I will not see these arrows. You can edit this section background. I will skip it. You can pick a section color just like that. And for the button, you can edit the button text from here. Book your appointment. You can edit the button design. You can play with the color, the button text or button colors when in the normal state or in the hover state. You can edit the button size. Let's make it large. That's all for these settings. Close this window. I'm thinking of keeping the second product and deleting this one. Let's delete it from here. Before I finish this first design, I want to add a section or a title section. Let's add a blank section, resize it just like that, and add a big title from here. Or instead of, unfortunately, I can't add my title in my section. So I will add a new section on top of it and resize it just like that. I can edit this section background or just color to make it stand. I think that's enough. Now let's update my website to see my changes live. View site, and this is my book your dental appointment system. This is the photo, the title, the subtitle, the price, discounted price, the location. Since this my office is not to make this more readable, now let's refresh this page. As you can see, now it says location, my office. I think now it's more readable. I will also ask for the age or the kid's age and also the book appointment. As you can see, if I hit book your appointment, it asks me to fill the age field. Let's fill 12, book your appointment. Now let's pick this date and time, hit book. I was expecting to see this error which says we can't accept online orders right now. This is due to the lack of payment methods. I intentionally did not add a payment method first in order to see this error and be aware of it. Now, before adding a payment method, let's see how to create a page or a booking page like this one, which with multiple products to book. Now, go back to the website builder page and go click on pages and navigation. Let's create a new page. Click on add page. Go with an empty page like this one. I will create a new section. This is my big title section. Add the element or the text element here. What is it? Book your table. Here I will go with select your appointment. Make this wider like that. Let's add another section. This time it will be an online store section with a product list element or section, not a single product. Now let's get rid of this browse by or the categories, also the ordering features, and also this big title to keep only two products like this design. Click on edit section. For the store language, I will keep it by default. Same thing for the layout. In the filters here, select which category to show. First, disable this option in order to manually select your category. This is why we created the appointments category or as a category. Sorting options. I will disable the sorting. This is the sorting option. I don't like it, so I will disable it. Total count products, disable. Scroll behavior, add to back button. Show add to back from here or not. I will keep it only on hover desktop. You can edit your button text, for example, book your appointment. For the button style, I will keep it by primary button style. You can play with the button colors from here, text color, also the border size and colors. I will go with a large button, stretch to full width, yes. You can edit the ribbon. This is the ribbon I've added previously. You can edit the ribbon fill color and text color. For the hover effect, swap image. This is good if you have multiple photos. Order of products. You can change the order of products in category settings. Now close this window and just like that, update website. Let's see these changes live. This is my new page. If you don't know how to edit your page name in the menu, just look for another video on YouTube. I've already explained that. This is my big title, and these are the two products visitors can book. Your visitor can start the booking just from here instead of seeing the calendar directly. Because I've asked for the age. Now this window shows up first in order to fill in the age. After that, you will see this calendar. I forgot my camera. Now that you know how to add a multiple products, or yes, multiple appointments or booking page, let's see how to add a payment method to this online store to start seeing the checkout page. Now go back to the store management area and go to settings, then payments. By the way, your selected company location dictates the payment methods available in this page. Since I've selected Morocco, I only have PayPal and manual payment. If I select the US, I will start seeing the local Go, PayPal, Stripe, which allows you to get Visa and MasterCard payments, and also the manual payment. First, I will start with PayPal. I will connect PayPal. Click on Next. Then fill in your PayPal email here and password and hit login. You're all set. You're linked to Hostinger International Limited and ready to take payments on your website. Click on Return to Hostinger website. Even though you see setup not finished, just refresh this page and you will see that PayPal is enabled successfully. You can also add a manual payment. I will call it cash on delivery. You can add manual payment instructions and hit save. Now that I have my two payment methods enabled, let's see let's give this new page a try. Let's refresh this page again. Let's book a kids appointment. 12, book now, select a date, a time slot. This is the appointment information, date, time, starting and ending time, and my ending location. Click on book. I still see this error of we can't accept online orders right now, even though I've added a payment method. I think it's due to the lack of company information. Let's update my information. Dental office street, the phone number, the US. Click on save. This is required. Click on save. Now that's the company information updated. Let's see if I can't start my booking. I think I need to have a shipping methods added to this online store, and I'm sure that this error is due to the lack of shipping and also the payment methods. Let's add a shipping method. Let's call it free shipping. Add country. Let's select all countries. Click on save. Now let's add the shipping option is added, the regular is added by default. Now now that I have a shipping method, Let's give this booking another try. Age 55, book now, select a date, time, and hit book. And now that I have the payment method added and also the shipping method, I can access this page. As you can see, I ask my clients for the email, full name, country, and if you need to collect more information about your client, you can do it simply by going to settings, then checkout, and you can ask for the phone number or another custom field, and you can make it mandatory or not. The last part of this video is to how to create a book appointment button that forward the visitor directly to the booking section. To do that, simply switch to the website editor or builder. Click on the header section like that and click on edit header. Go to the elements tab, and in your case enable this option next to show button. You will see this black button. To edit the button design, just click on edit button. Now you can edit the button text, for example, book appointment. You can link to your page. For example, I can link to the page, yes, to the newly created page. This is the page title, new empty page. This is it. You can select between opening this link in a new tab or not. I will keep it in the same tab. You can also edit the button color. Let's pick this color. You can edit the button text color, font, and size. You can make the button text bigger or smaller. You can play with the button borders. This is the text and this is the width, and also the button radius, just like that. Now let's close this window, update this website, and let's view this website live. Now if I click on this button, I will be forwarded to the booking appointments page. If you want this button to forward to the first booking system, which is in this home page, or instead of linking to another page, select section. But before that, you need to create an anchor for this section. Let's create an anchor to this section. Instead of creating your anchor to this section, create it to the title section in order to see this title just like that and not like that. So pick the section you want to link to it, click on edit section, then go to anchor and give your section an anchor name. For example, appointment, or let's call it tutorial. Close this window, go back to the header section, click on it, edit header, go to the elements tab, edit button, and now after selecting linking to a section, locate your tutorial section just like that. This is my newly created anchor name. Now close this window, update your website, and let's view this website live again. Now if I click on this book an appointment, I jump directly to this section. Let's replay it. As you can see, a smooth scroll is added. And because I have this top banner, I think, yes, the top banner hides a little bit of my text, so I can lower it a little bit. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like, and thank you.